first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing.
But you didn't know you can make a mini burnt Basque cheesecake in just 20 minutes. So here's how to make this tasty and affordable single-serving dessert. We start off by mixing cream cheese, heavy cream, sugar, vanilla extract with 1 egg. Whisk well, and all that's left to do is transfer the cheesecake batter to mini ramekins and bake at 450 degrees for 18 minutes. Don't worry if the cheesecake rises in the oven, it'll settle down as it cools. And if it looks burnt on top, that's totally normal. That caramelized layer adds amazing flavor. You're gonna love how tasty and easy these mini Basque cheesecakes are. Comment dessert and we're baking my favorite chocolate dessert. We start off by melting some butter and semi-sweet chocolate chips. In a large bowl, whisk together the white and brown sugar along with the eggs until smooth. Mix in the chocolate butter mixture from earlier, and all that's left to do is crushed Oreos. Line a baking dish with some parchment paper and transfer the mixture to an oven-safe dish. Decorate with some more Oreos if you'd like, and bake at 350 for 30 minutes. Once it's done baking, you will have just made the tastiest and fudgiest Oreo brownies. This dessert is quick, easy, and the perfect sweet treat. Comment Oreo and I'll send you the link to the full recipe. I'm posting a recipe every day for 100 days, and this was recipe number 40.
You're nothing but an ex, expired, exit from my life.